ElevenLabs or PlayHT, which one is the best AI voice generator for business? Welcome back to AI Productivity, where we break down the tools and strategies that help businesses become more efficient in the age of AI. Today, we are diving deep into a head-to-head comparison between two of the hottest AI voice generation platforms in 2025, ElevenLabs and PlayHT. Which one delivers better voice quality, flexibility, pricing, global support, and business value? Let's find out. Why compare AI voice generators? Before we jump into the specifics of each platform, let us clarify why this comparison matters for businesses. AI voice generators have become central to corporate videos and training modules, YouTube and podcast narration, customer service, voice bots, e-learning and accessibility features, multilingual marketing across global audiences. Businesses need solutions that not only sound great, but also integrate into workflows, scale with usage, and fit strategic goals. So evaluating ElevenLabs versus PlayHT requires a close look at voice quality, features, pricing, scalability, and business use cases. Overview: ElevenLabs. Let's start with ElevenLabs, a company that's become something of a benchmark in AI-generated speech. Founded in 2022, ElevenLabs is focused on producing highly realistic and expressive voice output using deep learning models that analyze the text context, intonation, and emotion. Core strengths: industry-leading voice realism with natural prosody and expressive depth. Voice cloning from a short sample, as little as approximately 30 to 60 seconds in some cases. Includes API access, even on many paid plans for developers and businesses. Excellent for long-form narration, audiobooks, podcasts, and character voices. Typical uses: professional voiceovers for corporate and marketing media. High-quality audiobook narration, conversational AI applications. Overview: PlayHT. PlayHT is another major contender known for its multilingual support and wide range of voices. Over 900 voices across 142 languages. Core strengths: huge voice library with wide variety and styles. Supports 142 languages, making it ideal for global businesses. Voice cloning, SSML support, and rich customization. Strong API integration options and enterprise flexibility. Typical uses: multilingual content production, voiceovers for global marketing campaigns, website and WordPress integration, voice bots and scalable narration. Let's start with a comparison between ElevenLabs and PlayHT. 1. Voice quality and naturalness. This is arguably the most important factor for many creators and businesses. ElevenLabs often wins the subjective quality battle due to its natural inflection, emotional nuance, and human-like pacing, especially in English and major languages. Reviews consistently rate its voice realism ahead of most competitors. PlayHT also produces very realistic voices, and its quality is competitive, especially when you adjust parameters like pitch, speed, and emotional tone. But in many direct comparisons, ElevenLabs is perceived as slightly more lifelike. Verdict on quality: slight edge to ElevenLabs for deepest natural realism, especially for narrative projects. On the other hand, PlayHT is excellent, but slightly less nuanced in comparison, still very good for most business use cases. 2. Voice cloning capabilities. Both platforms offer voice cloning, which lets you generate speech in a custom voice based on a recorded sample. ElevenLabs delivers powerful cloning and professional-grade results with relatively little audio required. PlayHT also supports voice cloning and gives business tier users robust control over style and output. Verdict on cloning: ElevenLabs tends to produce very natural clones, while PlayHT emphasizes multilingual cloning flexibility thanks to its broader language base. 3. Pricing and value. Pricing matters, especially for businesses operating at scale. ElevenLabs pricing: free tier, 10,000 characters month, starter, $5 month, creator, $22 month. Business enterprise, custom pricing for high volume. ElevenLabs uses a character credit system, which can be very cost-efficient at the entry level. PlayHT pricing: free tier, 12,500 characters month. Creator plans start around $31 month. Unlimited enterprise plans exist. PlayHT's pricing tends to be higher initially, but its unlimited plan can be more affordable for high-volume needs compared to ElevenLabs' expensive top tiers. Value verdict: beginners and small teams. ElevenLabs offers better entry pricing, high volume, and enterprise. PlayHT may become more cost-effective overall as usage scales. 4. Languages and global reach. Here's where PlayHT shines. PlayHT supports 142 languages and accents, making it ideal for global businesses expanding into international markets. ElevenLabs supports fewer languages, typically around approximately 70 plus, but invests more in voice depth and expressiveness per language. Global reach verdict. The winner is PlayHT, due to sheer language coverage and accent options crucial for cross-border campaigns. 5. API and developer integration. Both ElevenLabs and PlayHT offer APIs that developers can use to embed voice generation into apps, bots, and other services. PlayHT's API documentation is often considered more accessible, with scalable options and lower overage for large usage. ElevenLabs provides powerful API access across plans, with strong support for dynamic use cases like character voices and expressive tones, but can require more technical configuration. Developer verdict. PlayHT takes a slight edge for ease of API use, especially for teams prioritizing integration quickness. 6. Business and collaboration features. PlayHT often includes advanced team and collaboration features, such as role-based access, WordPress plugins, team workspace support. ElevenLabs typically focuses more on voice production quality and expressive capabilities rather than advanced team workflows. Business tools verdict. PlayHT wins for team and collaborative utility. 7. Best use cases. When to pick which. Let us break down when either platform is the smart choice for your business. Pick ElevenLabs if voice, quality, and realism are mission critical. You're producing long-form audio, audiobooks, or branded narrations. Emotional nuance and natural speech are must-have features. You want a lower price point to get started quickly. Pick PlayHT if you need broad language support for global audiences. You want team collaboration features. Your business needs API features with scalable pricing. You plan high-volume audio with cost-efficient plans, real-world examples. Here's how different companies might use each platform. Marketing agency, they need multilingual campaign voiceovers for global brands. They'll likely choose PlayHT for its language breadth. E-learning platform. They prioritize deep emotion, pacing control, and high-quality narration. ElevenLabs often gives better storytelling quality. Tech startup with voice bots. They need scalable API calls and flexible integration. PlayHT's API features can simplify deployment. YouTube creators. Many solo creators pick ElevenLabs because it delivers realistic single-voice audio with expressive tone. The future of AI voice tools, both ElevenLabs and PlayHT, are evolving rapidly. Voice generation continues to improve with deeper emotional modeling, faster streaming, and contextual responsiveness. What is exciting is that businesses now have real choices based on their specific needs, whether that's quality, scale, or global reach. Final recommendation. If you want the most natural-sounding voice with emotional depth for creative content, ElevenLabs might be your best choice. But if your priority is global reach, scalability, team use, and API integration, PlayHT stands out as a powerful alternative. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your business goals, audience, and usage profile. AI voice generators have transformed how content is created across industries, from automated narrations to intelligent voice assistants. Both ElevenLabs and PlayHT offer compelling value, each with its own strengths. Use the insights in this video to choose the platform that best fits your workflow and business needs. If you found this comparison useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about which tool you're planning to use and why. Thanks for watching AI Productivity, and see you next time.